Wire harness to connect an aftermarket stereo receiver to select 1995 up Infiniti, Nissan Vehicles. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Made from OEM quality materials. Harness is used when installing an aftermarket stereo. Select 1995 up Infiniti, Nissan Vehicles. Connects the aftermarket stereo harness to the vehicle's factory harness. Made from OEM quality materials. Standard color-coded wires provide a consistent and simplified installation. Top reviews from the United States. SCOSCHE NN03B Nissan. Installed in 05 G35 Coupe, worked great and easy to install, very happy with the product. So far so good. Initially thought this wouldn't work on my 05 Maxima. I'm apparently dumb fuzz led by all the connectors, this worked just fine. Had to buy a separate steering wheel module for those controls to work.